This mascot, a magical rat, has a large expressive head, glasses, tousled magical hair, and a long dress, creating the image of a fairy tale sorceress. It is easily recognizable by both children and adults. Instantly likable, a warm, friendly image without aggression. Perfect for photos and videos, big eyes and emotions work great on camera. A character with personality. It's easy to come up with a legend, storyline, or interactive activity. Suitable for different audiences: children, families, shopping centers, festivals, brands. Comfortable for the performer, free movement, easy to interact with guests. The rat wizard quickly becomes a crowd favorite, draws crowds for photos, and creates that very atmosphere of wonder that people remember.